Всем привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. Today I'm going to show you how to make unicorn hot chocolate. I know I'm a bit late with the trend and it was trending a while ago, but then I thought, hey, unicorn stuff never goes out of trend. So I wanted to do my own hot chocolate unicorn, and it's so creamy, so delicious, tastes amazing, looks fantastic. It's perfect for anyone. It doesn't matter what age you are. It's gonna make you smile and it's gonna make you happy. Very, very easy to make. Now let's get started. Place your heavy or double cream into a large pot, and then you want to whisk this until you get nice soft peaks. Don't overmix the mixture. It should be nice and smooth. Then I'm going to separate my mixture into 3 different bowls, and I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of each. Add your red food coloring and mix everything together until it's nice and pink. You can also use pink food coloring if you have. So the mixture will look just like this. We're going to do the same with our purple color. I'm adding pink food coloring together with purple, and it kind of gives it a much brighter color. So mix everything together until you get the desired color of your choice. It will look just like that, and we're going to set this aside. Now I'm adding blue food coloring and mixing everything together, and you get this bright blue, sort of baby blue color. We're going to set this aside. Now take a tall glass, place your piping bag over, and scoop your cream inside. You're going to need 3 piping bags, and then seal them together and repeat the process with all the colors. So I'm using small piping bags for all these colors. And then once you have all your beautiful colors, you want to cut off the ends, and then we're going to place this into a larger piping bag. You want to kind of place all of them together and squash them, and I've also attached sort of a beautiful piping nozzle there to pipe the cream with, but you can use any nozzle that you have, and it should look like this with 3 different colors. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. In a pot, add full fat milk. And I prefer to use full fat as it's got more flavor. Then add your chopped white chocolate and place this onto the stove until your chocolate completely melts. This might take 5 minutes or so, but once your milk reaches the boiling point, it should be nice and ready. Just give it a bit of a stir and then take this off the heat. You want to leave it to cool down for a little bit. Now take some melted white chocolate and then dip your presentation cup into it. You don't have to do this, but I do think it adds that extra something. You want to coat the chocolate around all the edges and then add some sprinkles of different colors and golden stars, or you can use unicorn dust, whatever you have, and then dip your bowl into the sprinkles from all the sides, on top and around, and it's gonna look just like this. Very, very festive and beautiful. You then want to add pink food coloring into your milk and chocolate mixture. Mix everything together and it's done. Add this into your presentation cup and it's gonna look so beautiful already. I absolutely love the color. And then you want to take your cream and sort of start piping inside your hot chocolate. So add as much cream as you want. I like to add a lot and do it a bit over the top. And some chocolate might spill, but don't worry about that. It's all part of the fun. Decorate it with some unicorn dust, some mini marshmallows and some sprinkles. And do eat it straight away or drink it, whatever way you like to do this. I've also added some unicorn meringue cookies. I hope you try this. Thank you so much for watching.